so happy. Hello, Philippines! Hindi lumapit. Ano ba ako siya? Oh my God! Nasa Pilipinas na ako. I'm so very happy. I'm still happy. Actually, kararating ko lang from Davao kasi yung flight ko is Manila, Davao. And then, kailangan namin matulog doon kasi nga, it's not safe na to travel Davao to Cotabato. Oh my God, ang ingay ng electric fan. This is actually my room. But unfortunately, not really unfortunately, my brother took over my room since, wala naman ako dito and yan, kagagawa niya ng kapatid ko. Kasi when I was at school before, yan yung ginagawa ko. So, kailangan niyang gayahin si ate. Seriously. Seriously. Okay, so, yes, this is just going to be a very, very quick haul video. Kasi nung dumating kami ng Davao, I need to buy yung mga things na super kailangan ko. Kasi hindi ko nadala lahat ng kailangan ko sa buhay. Kasi nga, ewan ko ba kung anong katangahan ang nangyari sa akin. So, marami akong bagay na kailangan ko bilhin agad-agad that time. And I was not really in the mood for shopping kasi sobrang pagod. Alam niyo yung body clock ko nag-a-adjust pa. Kasi nga yung pagdating ko dito, supposed to be natutulog ako noon kasi 'di ba 5 hours advance Philippines. Yes, 5 hours advance ang Philippines. Then hindi rin ako nakatulog sa plane kasi yung unan ko is not cooperating with me. So I look very haggard right now. So excuse myself. But siguro after how many days I would look like a princess. I hope. Okay, so, yes, so, pumunta kami ng mall saglit and then I have to find the nearest Watson's. And supposed to be, I just need to buy like essential things like these. But, ewan ko ba bakit ang laki ng bag na So, mabilisan lang to. I'm not going to edit this video kasi our internet is very slow and I have to upload this one now kasi I know I will have multiple videos to show you. I don't know. Anyways, oh, hello hair. Superman, like, Ayan. So, oh my God, I should like remove this face first before I start. Sorry. Out of frame. Okay. So, ito. Binili ko to. Oh! What's that? These one. Watson's Wet Tissues. Bumili ako ng 1 pack. 2 packs. And it's scented. So, I really need one of these. So, I just bought these 2. The scents are in Ocean scented. And this one is Sakura. Ooh. Sakuragi. Sakura scented, so I got that. And then I needed this Eskinol kasi I just have cotton, diba? Slang. Tapos I need something for my hair kasi hindi rin ako nagdala. I got glitters, actually got 2. Yung isa ko, ewan ko saan nilagay, basta I bought that also. Tapos these next things I really don't need. I don't know why did I get. And then also pala you guys, kasi nga hindi ako nag-makeup nung nandun ako sa Riyadh kasi nag-makeup ako pag lumalabas kami ng Fridays but not like every day of my entire life. And then dito, sabi ko sa sarili ko, kailangan kong magpaganda kasi Pilipinas to, So, throw that away. Naghanap ako ng good primer or something na inilalagay sa mukha para hindi lang direct contact yung foundation or your BB cream sa mukha ko. And I really don't know what is good in the market now. And then pumunta ako doon, tinanong ko yung sales lady, ate, ano ang magandang moisturizing cream? Sabi niya, anong moisturizing cream gusto niyo, ma'am? Hindi ko alam, kaya ako nagtatanong Anyways, she gave me this. This is by Celatec. Celatec Dermoscience Hydration Facial Moisturizer with triple moisturizing system. Ayun, so I gave it a go. This one, I used this one this morning before kami nag-travel and it's okay. It's like in a gel form. I don't know. It didn't break me out or whatsoever. So I think I'm gonna use this one all throughout the month. Okay. And then the next thing hindi na ako bumili ng mga foundation whatsoever kasi may dala naman ako. Ito yung binili ko kasi nakalimutan ko rin sa Riyadh. Sobrang stress ko siguro. I needed something for my brows. So I got this Fashion 21 like brow stuff. Duo eyebrow powder. This has 2 shades. I don't know. This is the darker shade. Kasi parang dark naman yung hair ko. So, ayun. And with that, pumili na ako ng Marionade, ano to? Yung something eye brush. I cannot speak, I'm just so tired. Eye brush stuff. And I already used this one. It didn't pick up that much. Yung product niya. Speak English. Hindi niya napipick up yung product masyado. But it's okay. At least I have something. And I love this what do you call this? Spoolie? Spoolie? Yes, I love it. I used this one again this morning and it's okay. And then also, pag halimbawa feel ko na hindi mag BB cream or whatsoever, chuba chuchu, bumili ako nitong Pond's White Beauty Finish Day Cream for all skin types. So, I decided to purchase one of these things. Kasi gagamitin ko na. And then naisip ko, sabi ko, I needed something to wash my face at night because wala nga talaga akong dala. So, napadaan ako dun sa iWhite and I got this facial wash. Whatever. You guys, if you have a recommendation for me na magandang gamitin pang wash ng face at night, na gano'n, na you just go ahead and comment. I have no idea kung anong maganda na dito sa Pilipinas. Really. So, ito na lang yung mga ginamit ko. At least may gagamitin something sa face. And then, deodorant. See, hindi ako nagdala ng deodorant. Really tressy. And also, ito talaga. Naghanap ako ng nail polish kasi kumakati na yung kamay ko na mag-nail polish. Before, sobrang hilig ko talaga sa nail polish. Like, to the highest level. So, I decided to go to this pretty red color. This is, I don't know what brand, but this is a red color. That is what I'm wearing. Kasi yung flight stewardess, naka-red siya na nail polish. Sabi ko, ate, humanda ka. Mag-nail polish din ako ng red pag uwi ko ng Pinas. So, mission accomplished. Pak! O, diba? Ganyan. Tapos, ano ba to? Ito. This is Glamworks Hair Removal Hot Wax Kit. Kasi gusto kong mag-wax ng kilikili ko. Nagwa-wax ako when I was at Riyadh na hindi ko na alam kung saan ko nilagay yung aking magkano ba to? Hindi ko na alam saan ko nilagay yung wax ko doon and I just forgot about that. So, this is what it is. I don't know. Is this good? Nakalagay doon siya sa tin. Ito nga. Nakalagay siya sa tin tapos i-melt mo something. May instruction siya. So, may stick siya kasi ano. So, may instruction siya. Ganun. So, I will try this one. And then, kailangan din bumili ng hair removal paper. Gagamitin ko to siya sa aking armpits. Yes, probably I will make a vlog this one also kasi alam mo naman, me and my camera. Tapos, nung nandun ako sa check, I think that's everything. Oh! Not yet. I saw this cute stuff there. This is what's this? Oil control sheets. Ayan, ang cute niya kasi may ganyan and then what else? May ganito, Shine Free Pearl Oil Control Sheets. And then the other one is this one in green tea. So, I decided to get a couple of these ones na dalahin sa akin dun sa Riyadh kasi bibigay ko sa akin mga workmates. Kasi diba, now sobrang init doon, umaabot ng 45 degrees yung init. So, we needed one of these things. But I don't know where to buy these things there. So, I got them also for my workmates. And also, syempre, tapos na ako. Sorry. Also, bumili din ako doon ng so, Watson's din ito. Itong professional clay dough light molding clay. Wala kasing bench doon sa Riyadh. So, may nagpabili sa akin ito. So, I got him. I got him 3. Kasi nga, wala daw doon. And then, nasa checkout counter na ako. Tapos, sabi ng babae, ma'am, you will avail, para maka-avail daw ako ng libreng bag. I have to add one more para ma-reach yung, I think, 2,000 or something. I don't know. So, sabi ko, sige ate, bigyan mo na lang ako ng cream silk, stand out conditioner kasi I needed one also. So, I got this one. And then, is it so cute? Oh my God. Itong aking price. Price. Yung aking tote. Free tote. It's cute, actually. It's very cute. It says here, look good, feel great since 1841. Watson. Sabi niya.